Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one I can put about s to the power of 2 sin x and s to the power of negative number 1. This one we have 1 over s. Later that we multiply by 1 over s for sin s and s. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Now I will show you the technique how to find this integration. So I will put about natural log for the both sides. Next, we have the formula in here. Ln8 to the power of b equals to b ln8. So for this one, s that is about capital A, b that is about 2 sin s, and now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So we have the formula in here. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we have first the derivative of 8 over 8, and the second one we can apply about the product rule of the derivative. So we have y equals to ab. So if we do first the derivative of y, we have first the derivative of a multiplied by b plus first the derivative of b multiplied by a. So for this one in here, we apply this one. So this one in here, we applied this one. So this one we have cosx. This one we have 1 over s. Now we multiply both sides by f of s. So this one that is about this one. And here is the final answer. So we put this one cone here. So we see that this one we just have only number 1. So we divide both sides by number 2. So this one in here, we change by this one du over number 2. the integration of du, we have u. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.